Dive into the heart of the world's largest tropical rainforest, where 1 in 10 known species on Earth resides. Welcome to the Amazon, an expanse of life and color that stretches across a staggering 6 million square kilometers. Embraced by 9 countries, this colossal forest paints a verdant stretch across South America, its roots reaching deep into Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and beyond. The Amazon is more than just a forest. It's a pulsating hub of biodiversity, a symphony of life that resounds in every leaf, every droplet of rain, every wing beat. Home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species, the Amazon is a living testament to nature's grandeur. It's a place where the air is thick with the hum of insects, the calls of birds, the rustle of leaves as creatures unseen move in the undergrowth. Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon plays a pivotal role in our planet's health. Its dense foliage absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. In return, it breathes out oxygen, a lifeline for every living creature on Earth. This exchange, this rhythm of inhale and exhale, is a dance that sustains life as we know it. Yet the Amazon is more than just a life-sustaining entity. It's a world teeming with secrets. Hidden within its depths are countless species yet to be discovered, medicinal plants with untapped healing potential, and indigenous tribes whose knowledge of the forest spans generations. The Amazon is a treasure trove of mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. So come, let's venture deeper into the Amazon. Let's journey into its emerald heart and uncover the stories it holds within its leafy pages. Let's immerse ourselves in its rhythms, its colors, its life. For the Amazon is not just a forest, it's a world unto itself, a place teeming with life and shrouded in mysteries. Scene script. Uncover the Amazon's rich biodiversity, a testament to the forest's health and vitality. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a veritable treasure trove of life. It's home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species. Each tree is a microcosm in itself, a haven for countless creatures and organisms. Let's delve deeper into the green expanse. Imagine a world teeming with life, where every rustle, every chirp, every croak tells a story. The Amazon is that world. It shelters more than 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of plants, and approximately 2,000 birds and mammals. Among its inhabitants, there are some truly fascinating creatures. Take the jaguar, for instance, the largest cat in the Americas, a symbol of power and stealth. Or the poison dart frog, tiny yet deadly, its vibrant skin a warning to predators. Then there's the capybara, the world's largest rodent, living peacefully along the water bodies of the Amazon. In the dense canopy above, macaws paint the sky with their bright plumage, while in the undergrowth below, leafcutter ants march in lines carrying pieces of leaves many times their size. And within the river's murky depths, the pink river dolphin navigates its way, a rare spectacle in freshwater habitats. Each species has adapted remarkably to thrive in this unique environment. Some plants have developed broad leaves to capture the scarce sunlight filtering through the dense canopy. Others, like the strangler fig, start life in the treetops and send roots down to the forest floor, eventually enveloping and outcompeting their host tree. The intricate web of life in the Amazon is not just about survival, but also about interdependence. Every creature, every plant has a role to play in this complex ecosystem. From the microscopic fungi decomposing fallen leaves, to the mighty jaguar controlling the population of other animals, each species contributes to the forest's overall health and balance. By exploring the Amazon's biodiversity, we get a glimpse of the incredible variety that Mother Nature has to offer. We also realize the importance of each species in maintaining the equilibrium of this fascinating ecosystem. Each species plays a crucial role in preserving the balance of this complex ecosystem. Meet the guardians of the Amazon, the indigenous tribes who've called this forest home for centuries. Delving deeper into the heart of the Amazon, we encounter its true custodians, the indigenous tribes. Living in harmony with nature, these tribes have made the Amazon their home for hundreds if not thousands of years. Their lifestyle is a testament to the beauty of a symbiotic relationship with nature, one that is both sustainable and respectful. From the Yanomami, the largest relatively isolated tribe in South America, to the Kayapo, who are known for their elaborate body paint and feathered adornments, each tribe has a unique culture and way of life. Their cultures, rich in tradition and wisdom, have evolved around the resources provided by the forest. They hunt for food, fish in the rivers, and gather fruits and medicinal plants, all while leaving the smallest of footprints on the environment. Their wisdom is not confined to survival alone. These tribes hold a profound understanding of the Amazon's intricate ecosystem. This knowledge, passed down from generation to generation, highlights the interconnectedness of all life within the forest. From identifying medicinal plants to predicting weather patterns, their deep connection with nature is a testament to human adaptability and resilience. But their existence is not just about survival and wisdom. They are the keepers of the forest, its protectors. They understand that the health of the Amazon is directly linked to their own well-being and survival. Their stewardship of the land is an integral part of their cultural identity, a responsibility they do not take lightly. So while we marvel at the Amazon's rich biodiversity and expansive landscapes, let's not forget its human aspect. The indigenous tribes are as much a part of the Amazon as the plants and animals that inhabit it. They are a living reminder of our own connection to nature and our responsibility to protect it. Their survival is intertwined with the survival of the Amazon itself. Their story is the story of the Amazon, a tale of symbiosis and survival, of wisdom and resilience, of respect and protection. And it is a story that continues to unfold, day by day, in the heart of the world's largest rainforest. But the Amazon, a vital global resource, faces unprecedented threats. Imagine a world without the Amazon. We're not there yet, but the threats are real and they're growing. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, is under siege from multiple fronts. Let's explore some of these threats and their potential impacts. Firstly, deforestation is rampant. Every minute, an area the size of 3 football pitches is cleared. Driven by the demand for timber, cattle ranching and agriculture, particularly soy production, deforestation is eroding this magnificent forest at an alarming rate. This not only destroys habitats and threatens the rich biodiversity of the Amazon, but it also disrupts the forest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, exacerbating climate change. Illegal mining is another major threat. The quest for gold and other precious minerals leads to the destruction of vast forest areas, pollution of rivers with mercury, and displacement of wildlife. This not only harms the ecosystem, but also poses serious health risks to indigenous communities who rely on these rivers for their livelihood. Speaking of climate change, it is both a cause and an effect. As the Amazon loses its trees, it's less able to absorb carbon dioxide, which leads to more warming. But warmer temperatures also make the forest more susceptible to fires. And when the Amazon burns, it's not just a local problem, it affects the global climate system. These threats aren't just endangering the Amazon's rich biodiversity, they're also affecting the indigenous communities that call the forest home. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, but now they're losing their homes and their way of life to these relentless forces. The Amazon isn't just a forest, it's a global treasure, a complex ecosystem that supports countless species and communities. It's a vital part of our planet's health and our own survival. The loss of the Amazon would be a catastrophe, not just for its inhabitants, but for the entire planet. The future of the Amazon is in our hands. As we delve deeper into the heart of this verdant paradise, we realize how crucial it is to safeguard the Amazon rainforest. It's not just about preserving an exceptional ecosystem, but it's about safeguarding the future of our planet. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays an indispensable role in maintaining the world's climate balance. Its vast canopy absorbs colossal amounts of carbon dioxide, the greenhouse gas primarily responsible for global warming, while releasing oxygen that we breathe. Imagine, if we lose this green fortress, the repercussions will be catastrophic. But here's the good news. Actions are being taken on the global stage to protect the Amazon. International agreements like the Paris Agreement, where nations commit to reducing their greenhouse gas emissions, indirectly contribute to the Amazon's preservation. Organizations such as the Rainforest Foundation and World Wildlife Fund work tirelessly to combat deforestation and promote sustainable practices. Conservation efforts are also gaining momentum. Protected areas and reserves have been established to shield the Amazon's unique biodiversity and indigenous cultures. Governments, nonprofit organizations, and even corporations are investing in projects to restore degraded forest lands. But it's not just about the big players. Each one of us has a role in this grand scheme of protection. Simple actions like reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable products, or even spreading awareness can make a significant difference. Remember, every little helps. In the face of looming threats, the fight to protect the Amazon is a collective one. It involves governments and organizations, yes, but also individuals like you and me. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The Amazon is not a distant, isolated forest, it's a vital part of our global ecosystem. The Amazon gives us life, and it's our responsibility to ensure it continues to thrive. The survival of the Amazon is inextricably linked to our own. Let's make sure we give it the protection it so richly deserves. After all, when we protect the Amazon, we protect ourselves.